Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ready for a breakfast upgrade? Learn to make incredibly delicious and healthy almond flour pancakes in just minutes. These fluffy delights are naturally gluten-free and offer a lower-carb alternative to your usual stack, keeping you feeling great. They're surprisingly easy to prepare, perfect for a quick weekday meal or a leisurely weekend brunch. Get ready to enjoy a warm, satisfying breakfast that truly nourishes your body. To begin, gather a few simple ingredients. Start with 1 cup of fine blanched almond flour. This specific type ensures a smooth, light pancake. You'll also need 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. For a touch of sweetness, add 1 tablespoon of your favorite sweetener, perhaps maple syrup or erythritol. Finish with half a cup of milk, whether it's almond milk or dairy, to bring everything together. Mixing the batter is straightforward. In a large bowl, whisk together your almond flour, baking powder, salt, and sweetener until they are well combined. Next, create a well in the center and pour in your eggs and milk. Gently whisk everything together, working from the center outwards, until the batter is smooth with no lumps. Remember, don't overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and actually help keep your pancakes light and airy. Now for the fun part, cooking your pancakes. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium-low heat and lightly grease it with coconut oil or butter. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake, shaping them gently. Almond flour pancakes cook slightly differently. They are delicate, so be patient. Cook for about 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and firm enough to flip. You'll know they are ready when small bubbles form on the surface. Once cooked, stack your delicious almond flour pancakes high and serve them immediately. They pair wonderfully with fresh berries like blueberries or sliced strawberries, a light drizzle of maple syrup, or even a dollop of Greek yogurt for extra protein. These pancakes aren't just for breakfast. Enjoy them as a satisfying brunch or a wholesome snack. You can also make a big batch and store them in the fridge for easy, quick breakfasts throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.